Namaste to everyone. I am Krishna Bhavani, a general science teacher at Sri Prakash Vidyaniketan Rajahmundry branch. Today I am going to read about a temperature. Temperature, a reliable measure of hotness or coldness of a body, is called its temperature. A hotter body has a higher temperature than a colder body. The difference in temperature between the two bodies tells us how hot a body is in comparison to another body. A device that measures the temperature is called a thermometer. There are two kinds of thermometers that you are likely to come across: clinical thermometers and laboratory thermometers. Clinical thermometers are used to measure human body temperatures, whereas laboratory thermometers are used to measure for many other purposes. Let us now learn more about thermometers and how to use them to measure temperature. Clinical thermometer. You might be familiar with the clinical thermometer like that shown in figure 7.2, which is used for measuring for a body temperature. It is called a clinical thermometer. Such thermometers show temperatures digitally. They are also known as digital clinical thermometers and run on batteries. Now I'll comprehend this paragraph. Here temperature means it is the hotness and coldness of a body. Not only a body, an object also. Here it is a temperature we can measure by using a device called a thermometer. There are two kinds of thermometers are there. What are those? Those are clinical thermometers and the laboratory thermometers. Here clinical thermometer is a thermometer which is used to measure a body temperature, means a human body temperature, like a fever. Okay, and another thermometer is the laboratory thermometer, which is used for another purposes. In laboratory we are using those laboratory thermometers, hot water, chemicals. We use it to measure these thermometer. Here one example of the clinical thermometer they gave as here it is a digital clinical thermometer. It is a digital thermometer. It runs through the battery. It is also called as a digital clinical thermometer.